Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to discuss the idea that light travels in a straight line. Does it travel in a straight line? Well, I'll answer that question immediately. Yes and no. Obviously, 200 years ago, nobody would have disputed the fact that light appeared to travel in straight lines. And except for the occasions when we see things like reflection from a mirror. This is a mirror here. So if we see a reflection from a mirror, we can say, yes, it travels in straight lines there and there, but I'm sorry, there it doesn't. So the other is if we have a prism. This is a type of prism. This is solid glass. And we get what we call internal reflection. So reflection is a process where light doesn't travel in straight lines. It is reflected. And if I look at a lens, again a solid piece of glass, as the light enters it, it bends. So we can't say that it travels in straight lines. And here with refraction, what we have is a triangular prism. This is solid glass, this is air, and the light bends. So no, it doesn't travel in straight lines, but yes, it does travel in straight lines. It's only when it's going from one material to another that it actually bends. Now that would have been all right had it not been for last century, because people like Einstein caused a lot of problems when they actually started measuring light coming from distant stars and found that unfortunately the light didn't travel in straight lines as it should have done. In fact, it bent slightly, and it was the field around planets and stars, particularly stars, which caused the light to bend. So the answer to does light travel in straight lines? Well, yes, we can imagine it to do so. To all intents and purposes, yes, we get shadows and things like that. But when we actually look at it in detail and apply some of these other ideas, like the bending of light due to a gravitational field, which is an Einsteinian theory, then we have problems saying yes. But overall, I think I'll still go by light travelling in straight lines. It'll usually get me where I want to go.